Hi, good evening dear viewers, James Braithwaite here. Welcome to my slightly untidy flat, but it's okay. And you join me as I'm about to get a permanent lampshade up on the light fixture I installed a couple of weeks back. Okay. I have isolated all the power obviously because this could be a little tricky. I had to alter this a bit so it would stay up. The cord was much longer than I expected it to be. Okay. Yeah, that's the one. These paper lanterns are really good. They only really work on a temporary basis. And this is the one that's going on permanently. It's I picked it up from B&Q, just like the light fixture earlier today, and it's really Rizzo. That's not for you. Yeah, Rizzo likes keeping his paw on the pulse. Okay. See how she does. So that's my phone going off. It's had more ding-a-lings than Chuck Berry today. Yeah, I like it, you know. Okay. With that bulb. Okay. I think, as this is an Edison screw, I can just screw it back in. Was the thread bitten? Yes, it has. Check it now, see if it works. No, not that. Oh yeah, I know what it is. It's not got the right contact. Come here, you. Let's get you on. Hopefully this will stick thin because that's all right. Oh, I get it now. I know what you're supposed to bloody do. Looks like it might be a bit of a bud job, but it might have to do for the time being. Supposed to balance on that. Okay, let's try it now. Lovely. Yeah. No, I'm not lying. I'm not lying, say it's perfect, but it will certainly do for now. Okay, there we go. I will see you in the next one. Yeah, bye now.